Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something huge, a game changer for anyone who's ever worked with AI, whether you're a developer, business owner, or just a tech enthusiast. We're talking about OneAi, the ultimate AI hub that lets you access all premium AIs from a single, easy-to-use dashboard. Sounds amazing, right? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see why this is the tool you've been waiting for. Now, if you're like me, you've probably had to jump between a bunch of different AI tools to get what you need done. Whether it's for language models, image generation, or data analysis, having to manage multiple accounts and subscriptions is a nightmare. That's exactly where OneAi comes in. Imagine having the power of ChatGPT, OpenAI's models, MidJourney, and other premium AI tools, all accessible from one single place. You no longer have to open new tabs, log in to different services, or pay for each one separately. OneAI streamlines everything into one seamless experience. So, let's get into the details. OneAI is super intuitive. You've got an all-in-one dashboard that connects to all these different AI services. With just a few clicks, you can use premium AIs for everything from generating creative content, analyzing data, automating business tasks, or even building your own AI-powered applications. Here's a sneak peek at the dashboard. As you can see, it's clean and user-friendly. You can easily switch between AIs, and it gives you full control to customize what you need. No coding required unless you want to get under the hood and build something custom. Okay, now you're probably wondering, how much does something this powerful cost? Here's the thing that really got me. OneAi offers a flexible pricing structure. You can choose a plan that fits your needs, whether you're just dabbling in AI or running a full-on enterprise. You no longer have to subscribe to multiple services. You get everything in one spot. And the pricing is way more affordable than you'd expect when you consider the power of these premium tools. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what actual users are saying. User 1. OneAi completely revolutionized how I work. I used to spend hours switching between tools. Now, it's all right there, and I've saved so much time and money. User 2. I love the fact that I can experiment with different AI models in one place, without needing separate accounts for each service. It's the perfect tool for developers like me. So, is OneAi worth it? Absolutely. If you're someone who uses AI regularly, this is a no-brainer. You get all the premium AIs in one place, you save money, you save time, and you're always up to date with the latest advancements. This is the future of AI management, and honestly, I wish I had discovered it sooner. And here's the best part. Right now, you can try OneAi with a free trial. Just hit the link in the description to check it out for yourself. Trust me, you're going to love how much easier your life gets. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments if you've tried OneAi or if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching. Try OneAi today. Link in description.